Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Apify Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app, and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. Right here, we have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. Firstly, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, scroll down and click on Settings. Under the Settings page, you're going to click on API Integrations, and our API key or token shall be given. So you're simply going to click on the View icon to view your API key, and you're going to click on Copy. And you're going to click on the Copy icon in order to copy your API key. In case you don't have a personal API token displayed here, you're simply going to click on Create a new token and create an API token. So you're going to head over back to our account and click on Start Setup, paste your API key, and click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the HighLevel Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. Right here, we have the changelog. At the level of the changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.